Hello, so today we're going to be talking about the law of cosines. The law of cosines is a formula we can use to determine the missing side lengths or angle measurements of a triangle. The law of cosines reads c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. The law of cosines is used when we know two sides of a triangle and the angle in between, so side angle side, or when we know three sides of a triangle, also known as side side side. It can be used in any triangle and not just a right triangle. Okay, so we're going to start off by doing an example of when to use law of cosines when we know two sides and the angle in between, or side angle side. So we're going to start by drawing a triangle and then labeling the sides and angles. Okay, so we know that side A, we have side A, side B, side C, angle A, and angle B. We know that side A equals 4 and that side B equals 8. And we'll put that into our triangle. So A is 4 and B is 8. We don't know what side C is, and that's what we're solving for, so we'll label C X. We know angle C is 26 degrees, so we'll put that into our triangle. And that's the angle in between sides A and B. Okay, so in order to solve for side C, we need to plug all of our values into the equation for the law of cosines. So we have c squared equals 4 squared plus 8 squared minus 4 times 8 cosine of 26 degrees. So from there, we simply keep solving until we get our answer. So we have c squared equals 16 plus 64 minus 64 cosine of 26 degrees. So simply keep solving until you get your final answer. So c squared equals 80 minus 64 cosine of 26. And then I use my calculator to get my answer. So you have c squared equals 80 minus approximately 41.4. C squared equals 38.6. And then you have to square root both sides to get what c is. So then c equals approximately, c is approximately 6.2. So then you put in 6.21 in for your c value. That is how you solve for a side using the law of cosines and side angle side.